ABC 7 business commentator Richard Stern is joining us now. And Richard, far from a terrific Tuesday on Wall Street.
Haley, it's almost a terrible Tuesday. I don't want to scare anyone, but I'm sure the cyber attack you just talked about didn't help at all. Tech stocks were down a whole bunch, and that's probably part of the reason. And the fact that the health care bill at least has been postponed until after the 4th of July. Put those all together, you've got a down day. The Dow's been down 5 out of the last 6 days, and today's finish, the worst we've seen in 5 weeks. So let's take a look at Tuesday. Terrific it was not. There you see a loss for the Dow of almost 99 points, not quite 0.5%, and that's the best record of the day, 21,310.66, that on volume 811 million shares. The biggest loser? Guess what? NASDAQ's been leading the way up. Today it led the way down 1.6%, more than 100 points at 6,146.62. That on volume of 1,922 million shares. And of course the S&P down as well, down 0.8%, not quite 20 points at 2,419.38. Well, I often say it's a market of stocks and not a stock market. We saw it today with Orlando-based. Nothing gets better than Darden Restaurants. The company owns, among others, Olive Garden, Longhorn Steakhouse, Capital Grille, and Seasons 52. The company announced a 12.5% increase in its dividend and said that its quarterly earnings came in well ahead of expectations. Seasons 52 was the biggest disappointment, along with Capital Grille. The star of the show, Olive Garden. Same-store sales up by more than 4%. And that's 11 consecutive quarters in which Olive Garden has shown an improvement in same-store sales. So I guess pasta is selling these days for sure.
They love those breadsticks, too.
Oh, the breadsticks, yeah.
And still some more news tonight, Richard, on Amazon.
Yeah, we've been following it on the way up, so now we get to follow it on the way down. Just a few days ago, it was $1,000 a share, down $17 today at $977. So it goes up. Unfortunately, it also goes the other way.
All right. Richard, thank you so much.
You're welcome.